Okay, this is just a help video for your homework tonight, the green page. I'm going to do the first 3 problems and then I want you to see if you can do the back all by yourself. So here we have, just remember your steps. They're over to the left: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Then we compare. Then if we have to, we go back to the top and do the process all over again. Okay, so here we have 7 divided by 3 equals 2. Then our second step, multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Then we subtract and we get 1. Then we bring down and we have 18. Okay, we compare. 18 is a lot bigger than 3, so we go back to the top of the process. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. We subtract and we get 0. We compare. Okay, so we don't have any remainders and we can, write that answer in. So to check our work, we're going to go 26 times 3 should equal 78, our dividend. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6, and 1 more, 78. That is correct. Okay, in this next problem we have 72 divided by 4. So look to the left, see your steps. First we're going to divide. So we have 7 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And the way I kind of get that, sometimes I just count it by 4s. 4, 8, oh that's too many, so I have to go back to just 1 4. So then I multiply. I'm going to put my little multiplication thing to remind me. 1 times 4 is 4. My next step is subtract. My next step is bring down the 2. Now I have compare 32. My cat is a lot larger than my 4, so I'm going to divide again. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 8 times 4 is 32. I subtract and I have nothing left over, no remainders. So I'm going to come over here, and if I'm correct, then we should say that 18 times 4 is going to equal 72. 8 times 4 is 32. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 more, 72. Okay. Now here's the last one on the first page, and then I want you to do the second page on your own and see if you can do this. You just have to go, remember, you just have to go through the steps. So D, divide. 8 divided by 5 is 1. 1 times 5 is 5. That was my multiply. I'm going to subtract. I get 3. Okay, then I'm going to bring down my 5. Actually, they did it for me, so I don't have to do that. And then I'm going to go back to divide. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 7 times 5 is 35. And then I subtract and I get 0, so I have nothing left over. So I'm going to go over here, and if this is correct, 5 times 17 is going to equal the dividend of 85. Okay, 7 times 5 is 35. 5 times 1 is 5, and then 3 more is 8. Oh, it's correct. Okay, so do your best on the back and we'll check it tomorrow. Bye.